Welcome, and thank you for taking a few minutes of your valuable time to find out more about our company. My name is Ray Clavette, and I am the founder and now chairman of Vimich Traffic Logistics. If you will allow me a few moments, I would like to share with you some of our proud history and our long-standing success. First off, let me answer the question that everyone asks. Where did the name Vimich come from? I even had one customer ask me one time if it meant victory over Michigan because the Montreal Canadiens were playing the Detroit Red Wings that weekend. Well, that wasn't it. I wanted something unique and readily identifiable, and it seemed that every related word in the dictionary had already been utilized, so I made one up. It is an acronym of the first two letters of each one of my children's names, Vicky, Michael, and Chantal. Vimich was one of the first three founding companies that started the modern-day logistics industry in the early 80s. At the time of deregulation, I was the director of materials for the truck and trailer axle division of one of the world's leading Tier 1 automotive manufacturers. My background was in manufacturing and specifically in automotive, an industry that I grew up in and stayed with. One of the major reasons why Vimich grew so rapidly was my ability to identify with the issues and needs of my manufacturing clients. Today, our company still takes the same approach. We are manufacturers at heart, and we work on behalf and for our manufacturing clientele. We've come a long way from a one-man operation to an industry leader, but we have not lost our edge. Our edge is our approach. Vimich has always been about people. When our customers call, they always speak to a live person. For us, we've been building relationships since 1984. Vimich is a financially sound, privately held, family-run company. My son Michael is now the VP and Chief Operating Officer, and my daughter Vicky is our Director of Logistics Services. I want to thank you again for taking the time to listen to my message. A message of family, of history, pride of service, and a message of commitment.
Hello, my name is Michael Clavette, and I'm the VP and COO of Vimich Traffic Logistics. Vimich is first and foremost an outsourced traffic department. We are not a carrier or a broker. We do not sell transportation, we're a service company, providing a one-stop shop for all your transportation needs. Being non-asset based is one of our greatest assets. It provides more flexibility in finding the least cost carrier without having to fill our own equipment first. It allows us to focus on servicing the customer first and not on managing drivers. Being non-asset based ensures our efforts are spent on managing our customers' freight without distraction. We're very focused in that effort. Our function is not only to reduce costs through our group buying power and reduced rates, but also to improve the flow and efficiency of your inbound supply or outbound distribution channels to optimize the logistics function within your organization. Our systems are geared to provide up-to-date information on equipment and shipment availability, enabling our coordinators to better manage your freight and ensure on-time delivery. Our systems also provide an immense amount of real-time and historical information, providing our customers with greater insight, better reporting, and real business intelligence to make better logistical decisions. So when people ask me what we do, the answer is simple. We're an outsourced full-service logistics department with experienced staff in dispatch, negotiations, systems, and administration, focused on saving our customers time, money, and stress while improving their service and reliability. Sound good? Give us a call.
I'm Vicky, Director of Logistics Services here at Vimich, and I'd like to share with you why you can put your trust in Vimich Traffic Logistics. We are solutions providers with over 137 years of combined experience in transportation and manufacturing. My team understands the pressures of manufacturing and will provide solutions that exactly meet your needs. We won't say no to any shipment you need moved. Beyond not saying no, we'll explore all options to optimize logistics and the associated costs. Team Vimich's highly trained staff has been trained not only to communicate effectively, but to listen for red flags that could lead to problems. All issues are addressed immediately and always to your satisfaction. Having moved over 5 billion pounds of freight to over 9,000 locations, we understand the importance of compliance and control. All shipments are recorded within our database with time and date stamps to provide an extra measure of reference and control. Every record is matched to the freight invoice to ensure audit and reporting accuracy. We track each shipment from being phoned in right through to payment. Having an in-house programming department and proprietary software system allows us to customize your business rules and requirements to our software. This might take the form of providing your GL codes on invoices to save your accounting team from entering them manually. Your business rules are programmed into our system to notify operations staff of your specific requirements. Reports can be created or modified in a very short time to provide you with accurate and meaningful information to support your business and decision-making processes. When you hire Vimich, you and your staff can focus on their core competencies, allowing everyone to focus efficiently and effectively managing your business in their respective roles. As your traffic department, we take on the day-to-day workload of managing your freight. Carrier negotiations, shipment scheduling, tracking, claims, resolution, and carrier payments, and you remain in complete control. Thanks for considering Team Vimich.
Thank you for taking a few minutes to listen to our message about the important differences to our approach to technology development. It is people and not systems that drive innovation. Our core belief is supported by what we have been told by many of our manufacturing clients. They want to concentrate their time and effort on manufacturing their products and not on tracking and chasing it. Imagine how much time can be made available to your purchasing staff to work on a reduction of material cost if they don't spend half their time chasing it. From what I remember when I was sitting in that manufacturing hot seat, when product had to move with dire consequences if it did not, I wanted to talk to a live person that understood the ramifications and would assure me that this will happen on time, and not just leave a message on a computer and hope. Although we do have the online capabilities in our systems to accommodate customers who may want to upload their own information, that is not our main focus. Our systems are not designed to give a client access and make them do all the work and take the time to load and chase information and shipments to make sure it happens. Our systems are designed to relieve the client of those responsibilities and support our staff with all the details of complete and immediate historical sourcing information to make sure that a client's request is fulfilled within their expectations and at the lowest cost available at that time. We have over 15 man-years invested in the development of our state-of-the-art proprietary Oracle database system, a system that has the identical back-end that is utilized by companies such as Yahoo, AT&T, General Motors, etc., and it is totally scalable. Our ISO auditors are continually impressed by our 41-step quality assurance and process controls that are built into our system, as well as our ongoing world standard continuous improvement efforts. One of our system design objectives is to support people in fulfilling the business model and to never modify or compromise the business service parameters to meet system requirements. Our people use technology and innovation to drive and implement great ideas that optimize our performance and consequently our relationships with our clients. For us, this is what our clients expect, so that they may concentrate their time and effort on their core competencies. It is their path of least resistance, and that is what we deliver.
The first thing you'll notice after joining the Vimich team is reduced workload, reduced stress, and no more headaches, even before you receive your first bill. You'll no longer have to waste your time chasing freight, negotiating with carriers, settling claims, or auditing incorrect freight invoices. With Vimich as your traffic department, you'll benefit from having additional time and resources to spend on your core competencies. Your accounting department will realize an immediate time and workload savings as well. They will no longer have to process hundreds of carrier invoices and payments. Vimich will audit, process, and pay these invoices, freeing up your valuable time. We will provide you with detailed invoices and reporting so you can properly allocate and track your transportation spend across multiple product lines or departments. Your management team will benefit from detailed freight information, enabling them to make better business decisions. With our business intelligence tools, we will be able to spot and correct duplicate shipments, expedited freight, and other inefficiencies in your supply chain. In addition to the time and workload savings, your firm will also benefit from the overall reduced freight cost. Our volume-based pricing with carriers results in reduced freight cost of 8 to 12%. In some cases, our customers save upwards of 25%. With Vimich as your outsourced traffic department, we will work to further decrease your freight cost through logistical engineering of your supply chain or distribution channels. We will work to optimize the flow of your material to ensure on-time delivery while reducing your freight cost. The next step is easy. Complete our simple Calculate Savings form on our site for a quick estimate of what savings may be available to you. Or, if you want a more accurate, detailed proposal, contact us today and we will complete a no-cost, no-obligation freight analysis to determine how much we can save you in terms of freight cost, time, and workload savings. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.